and welcome to this week's vlog. Today I'm on location for a branding shoot for Samantha of Mind, Body, Motherhood. I'll insert a few of my favorite photos from our afternoon together here. I encourage you to take a moment to learn more about her. She's an amazing therapist who specializes in helping women, particularly moms, feel more confident, empowered, and overcome their overwhelm. October is drawing to a close. To me, the end of October marks the end of fall and the beginning of the dark moodiness of winter. The vibrant colors of the autumn are starting to turn brown and fade away, making room for the snow that is sure to come soon. We had just finished her session when a misty rain began to fall. I had about 40 minutes of daylight left, so I wanted to use that time to enjoy this beautiful park, as well as shoot some B-roll of the waterfalls here. The rain meant most people would rather stay indoors, so I found myself completely alone in this beautiful place. These giant leaves were scattered everywhere. I couldn't help but take a moment to marvel at their size. They were larger than my hands and my head. As the rain began to become steadier, I was entranced by the darkening landscape. The clouds hung low and a misty fog was rolling playfully on the hilltop across the lake, transforming the scenery. I stayed until all the light had faded away. Today, I'm on location with Becky, the owner of Dandelion and Thyme. She is a massage therapist and yoga practitioner. I absolutely adore Becky. She recently moved into this beautiful space. It's so warm and cozy and has a great energy about it. Not to mention, there is some beautiful natural light, which is a photographer's dream because it creates mood and drama, sculpts the face, and is universally flattering light for anyone when it's wielded correctly. October rain is magical. It can take an otherwise normal landscape and transform it into a mystical land. Colors pop and become more vibrant. Rivers flow more joyously, and leaves torn from the trees by the rain scatter across the forest floor, creating a colorful carpet. Luckily, the rain did manage to taper off, as I had to be on location for another photo session. This week has been packed, but I have loved every moment of it. Today, I'm spending the afternoon with the staff of the Lebanon Veterinary Hospital, taking family photos. This quaint hospital is near and dear to my heart, as I worked there for several years. The doctors and the staff are so giving and so caring. I look fondly back on my years there, as they were full of laughter, tears, and so much warmth. As always, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. And until next time, stay warm, stay safe, and take care.